Empower and Cleo can both provide cash advances, but neither app publicly guarantees that one approves requests faster than the other, because approval depends on your account history, eligibility, and connected bank information. By the end of this video, you'll know how both apps handle approvals, what affects the process, and which one may be the better fit for your situation. The short answer is this: there isn't a universal winner. If you qualify for both, either app may approve your request quickly. The deciding factors are usually your banking activity, recurring income, and whether the app can verify your account successfully. Let's start with Empower. Empower connects to your bank account and reviews your financial activity to determine eligibility. The app looks for consistent income and account behavior before deciding whether you qualify for a cash advance. If your account meets its requirements, you can request an advance directly through the app. Now let's look at Cleo. Cleo also connects to your bank account, but it combines budgeting tools with cash advance features for eligible users. Like Empower, approval isn't based on filling out a traditional loan application. Instead, the app evaluates your connected account and financial activity to determine eligibility. If you're wondering which approves faster, the biggest factor isn't the app itself. It's how complete and consistent your banking information is. Accounts with regular deposits and fewer verification issues generally move through the process more smoothly than accounts with irregular activity. Another difference is what happens after approval. Both apps explain available advance options inside the app, including any delivery choices that may be available to eligible users. Before confirming a request, review the delivery details, repayment schedule, and any optional services so you know exactly what you're accepting. If your goal is simply getting an advance as quickly as possible, applying for only one app first is usually easier than creating multiple accounts at the same time. Complete your profile, connect the correct bank account, and make sure your information is accurate before submitting your request. So which should you choose? If you already want budgeting features alongside cash advances, Cleo may fit better. If your priority is a straightforward cash advance experience, Empower may be the simpler option. Neither app can promise faster approval for every user because eligibility is evaluated individually. To recap, both Empower and Cleo review your connected bank account instead of using a traditional application process, and neither publicly guarantees faster approval than the other. Choose the app that matches your needs, complete your account carefully, and review the approval details before requesting an advance. If this comparison helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other 2026 app comparisons.